Bye-bye, Jimmy. Oh. About that. Oh, God. Yo, what is up, guys? It's Flowmaster here, back with another video for you guys. So today, we got Gianna and Danny here helping me to do the watermelon challenge, guys. This is just such a fun challenge. We're gonna do it, and if you guys don't know what it is, Gianna's gonna explain right now. So Gianna?
Okay, so you need a watermelon and some rubber bands, and you take the rubber bands and put it around the watermelon until it explodes.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it in slow motion when it's done, and we're gonna count the rubber bands, and we've been waiting a long time to do this, so let's just do it. So you guys,
Let's get this video started. So this watermelon is called Little Jimmy.
we got little Jimmy.
Little Jimmy still presses. If anything happens to Little Jimmy, which it is,
Oh God, it's gonna be unfortunate,
Little
guys.
Jimmy will be the best watermelon there will be.
Happy or sad?
Little Jimmy shall be.
Happy!
But isn't he gonna
Guess what you guys think we're gonna be doing? And then do it, Gianna. Speed draw, start now.
Oh,
Speed draw, stop. Okay, guys, so this is little Jimmy. He's looking pretty nice.
Little Jimmy.
Got little Jimmy here, but we're gonna jump into it right now, guys. So let's do it. Let's go. Okay, guys. Sorry if you hear wind in the background or dogs or anything. I'm in my backyard, and it's just a windy day out here in our city or town or whatever. Well, let's get started. Gianna's going first, so we're gonna count it up. 1, keep going. Danny, hit that.
While you're waiting, guys, like stretch it out so it goes over
Yeah.
easier.
Come on, Danny.
Danny, come on. Just struggle. Danny.
Someone hold it for the other person. Person before.
We should all help each other.
Oh, 100, guys. So you just hit 100, but yeah, guys. So,
I was thinking I
so we gotta we got.
Like it.
200, guys. 200, guys. Which hit 200.
Goggles,
Rubber band show. That's not good. But yeah. So Danny, me and you switch. So, rubber band train.
He looks.
Oh my God! Keep going, keep going. 36. Keep going, keep going. 37. Keep going, just keep going. 38. Oh, keep going. 39. Little Jimmy, I'm sorry. It's coming out of his eye. He's crying. 40. Keep going, Danny. Keep going.
Oh my God.
40.
I'm
1.
going.
42.
This is so intense.
Gianna, hold it. 43. Keep going. 40. Keep going. Keep going. 45.
How many total?
249. No, 245 I thought.
45, yeah.
245, guys.
I fell backwards.
There's little Jimmy.
That was
Ooh, now it's time to eat Jimmy's brother. I'll go cut it up for you.
Okay, well,
Where's the rubber bands?
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Did it turn into a ball?
It didn't turn into a
Oh,
ball.
it didn't. It doesn't
Hope you
matter.
guys enjoyed the video.
Where'd it go?
Oh, oh! Look at that, guys. Look at this.
Wait.
It's just pure rubber band.
I mean,
It's just a
let me take
rubber
picture
band.
of
Oh,
that.
here, get in the frame.
Here,
Get in the
let me-
frame.
See you guys.
No.
Hold it up,
No.
Hold it up.
There it is, guys. There it is. Woo! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a lot of fun.
This
Jimmy
is little
is
Jimmy.
Totally destroyed.
This is what little Jimmy made.
Oh!
Little Jimmy's all watery.
There's little
Jimmy's
Jimmy,
guts.
guys. There's little Jimmy.
Keep
But
going
I
back.
hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to drop that like button. And if you want to see more challenges and or videos like this, subscribe to the channel, comment, subscribe. I just said that like 4 times. But hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you later. Peace.